Learning French was one of the best decisions I've ever made, but I made so many mistakes along the way. So if you're learning French or thinking about it, here are the things I wish someone had warned me about, so you can avoid them.
We wanna make you fall in love.
Mistake number 1. Focusing too much on grammar before speaking. I thought I had to be perfect before opening my mouth, and that was a big mistake. Here's a tip. Start speaking early, even if it's just Bonjour, je m'appelle Émilie at first. Confidence grows with use, not perfection. Mistake number 2. Not listening to real native French. I relied too much on apps and textbooks. Then when I got to France, I couldn't understand a word. People spoke so fast. So here's a tip. Listen to French YouTubers, podcasts or Netflix shows with subtitles. Start training your ear. It's just as important as vocabulary. Mistake number 3. Being afraid to sound silly. I'd rather stay silent than mispronounce a word. But guess what? Locals were way more supportive than I expected. Here's another tip. Make mistakes on purpose. Laugh about it. It's how you get better. Confidence matters more than perfection. Mistake number 4. Ignoring slang in casual French. I learned comment allez-vous in class, but nobody says that in everyday life. Real people say ça va, franchement, t'inquiète. Here's another tip. Learn how to actually talk. Watch vlogs, read Instagram captions, or ask native speakers how they actually say things. Mistake number 5. Not being consistent. I studied like crazy for a week and then do nothing for a month, and that made me forget so much. And the last tip is to build simple daily routines. Even 10 minutes a day is better than 3 hours once every month. So if you're just starting French or feel stuck, I hope my mistakes help you avoid wasting time or losing motivation. You've got this. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below with your language learning mistake. I'd love to chat. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!
We wanna make you fall in